Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create a table. An HTML table is defined with the table tag, and table consists a set of column and row. So each table row is defined within the tr tag, and each table column is defined within the td tag, and a table header is defined within the th tag. Okay, let's take an example. For table we can use table tag, and there must be an ending tag. Okay, then comes to row. For row we can use tr tag. Okay, this is our first row. Within first row we can use, suppose I want to put two columns, so for column we can use td. My first column is Vikram and second column is 60. These two column in one row. Then comes to second row. For we can use again tr tag, then there must be an ending tag. Okay, in second row we can also put two column, so we can use td tag, and then must be an ending tag, and first column is Lenka. Okay, then second column is 79. Okay, these two column is in second row. Okay, then save as the file with extension .html. Okay, then save the file and open it. Okay, look, this is our table. Okay, in first row there are two column, one is Vikram, another is 60. Look, and second row there are also two column, Lenka and 79. These are two column in second row. Okay, then comes to table header, so we can use th tag for table header, and header is in row position. So first we have to create row tag, means tr tag, and then must be an ending tag. Okay, after that we have to use header tag, so we can use th tag, and then must be an ending tag. And suppose my first heading is name. Okay, and second heading is mark. Okay, in this video I'm just providing the fundamental idea about table. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Look, this is our table. If you want to draw border, then you have to wait for css tutorial. Okay, because by using css we can stylish our web page. So I will see you guys in next video.